If it exceeds 0.6 bar and the needle is in the red zone, filters have to be exchanged. With normal one-shift operation, filters should be changed at least annually. Before we begin, we ensure a safe working environment and shut off the vacuum pump. Next, we remove the exhaust filter cover plate. Afterwards, we can remove the filter fleece. Then we loosen the exhaust filter carrier and take it out. The filters have to be disposed of properly. Before we exchange the filters, we have to replace and lubricate the O-rings. Bosch genuine filters come with an ultra-fine filter medium and a tighter mesh than ordinary third-party filters. That's why they deliver much better filtration performance. More oil is retained and therefore less oil needs to be refilled. Oil emissions to the ambient air are reduced to an absolute minimum. Bosch genuine filters fully comply with all emission standards. At the same time, the energy consumption is lower thanks to minimized flow resistance. An electrically conductive design prevents the risk of ignition through electrostatic discharge and ensures safe operation. Now we can install the new exhaust filters in the carrier. It's important to make sure that the hollow tube is correctly seated in the base of the carrier so that the filters fit correctly. When inserting the filters, we have to ensure that this arrow points upwards. Afterwards, we have to tighten the screws. It's time to change the filter fleece. And we should also replace the gasket on the exhaust cover. The last thing we need to do is tighten the screws. Bosch genuine exhaust filters ensure safe operation and clean